finally see the body kit.
He's responsible for this. No, my insurance goes on this drill.
This HURACAN's gonna be sick as hell. The time has finally come. The body kit is behind in the Sprinter. We're about to head out to Exclusive Vinyl to unload the special body kit coming from the HURACAN. This is my first time driving the Mercedes Sprinter. I just got my license for driving trucks. No, I'm kidding. I don't think you need a truck license to drive this, but this is the only way we can get the box into the truck. This is our only option. Let's go. Hopefully we make it to Exclusive Vinyl in one piece. So we finally made it here to Exclusive Vinyl. This is where we're going to be building the Lamborghini HURACAN, guys, so stay tuned.
What the f is this time, Zane?
Hey, Roman! I have a crate for you.
Crazy stupid mother.
So yeah, this is the body kit.
You keep the plywood, give me a body kit.
So yeah, I need a screwdriver to
Yes, okay, I give you a screwdriver.
No, the drill.
Yeah, I give you a screwdriver so you can train your muscle at least sometimes in your life. I wanna record this. I'm giving this to Zane.
I don't know how to use it.
He's responsible for this. No, my insurance goes on this drill. He will take it on his own risk.
Hopefully I know how to use it. I think that's all. If you don't know how to use a drill, this is what you do. Oh, never mind, that's the right way. I'll be doing all this work. Usually I just drop it off and they do everything for me. Through till we finally see the body kit. So guys, the moment of truth, the 1016. Oh wow, everything's all styrofoamed up. So excited. Watch. No, go ahead. All I can hear is. What's the door? Roman, everything is here.
Doing live 1016 body kit install plus the
printed wrap.
Yeah. Zane, help me with it. You're smart. People with glasses always smart.
So the problem with Roman is he always shits on my life because I actually don't know why, but why don't you ask the man himself?
Because you're a very smart person, Zane. I love you, you know.
So out here at Exclusive Vinyl, they have my 1016 kit, fully forged carbon. So this is my wing, that's my front lip, that is my rear bumper, and that, oh, look who showed up, Mr. Vic. What's up, Wantus? Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. What do you think about my kit? Look at this forged carbon. How sick does that look?
Looks incredible.
It's pretty light too, isn't it? Try picking up that bumper. It's pretty light.
Which one?
Right there, that one.
What the?
Right? Nothing. Imagine this HURACAN's gonna be sick as hell. The car is not here at Exclusive Vinyl yet, so I'm gonna be keeping the body kit all bundled up in the styrofoam. As you guys can see, the kit is fully forged carbon, and I'm gonna be keeping the body kit bundled up so nothing gets scratched till the car gets here. I want to give a big shout out to 1016 Industries for helping us get this kit for the New York Auto Show. It's about to be sick, guys. Over here at Exclusive Vinyl, they have a ton of wrap color designs that you could choose from, ranging from red, orange, pink, blue, purple, anything you need. The kit is actually here as well because we're going to be paint protecting the whole kit before putting the wrap on top, so therefore the carbon fiber is also protected. More carbon fiber stuff. Sorto's GTR wing. That's gonna end it for me over here at Exclusive Vinyl, heading out east of Long Island to do some shenanigans. is actually my buddy Sorto's RE. He just picked it up. I want to put a link in the description of his Instagram so you guys can check it out. And he was gracious enough to let me drive his car today. So we finally left Exclusive Vinyl. We have this beautiful Liberty Walk GTR behind us with these special gold rims. And this is owned by our buddy Vlad. Welcome Vlad to the channel, VLMAO. He actually has a YouTube channel as well. If you guys want to smash the subscribe button on his YouTube channel, I'm going to put a link in the description. And I'm going to be driving Sorto's cars. We're going to be getting some flames on the highway. Guys, how crazy were those GTR flames? I've known Vlad for the longest time. His GTR is actually full bolt-on E85, which he's able to do that. He's also tuned to shoot those flames. And how crazy was that Godzilla mode, guys? Drop a comment down below. What do you guys think about those flames? Finally made it here to Sorto's house.
Finally.
This is 2018 RA V10. Which package do you have in it? Is it the V10 Plus?
I don't even know.
Sorto also has a Liberty Walk GTR. He works for a construction company, super hardworking. He totally deserves this car. He works for Moncon Inc. They do like crates and crates of concrete. As a gift for Sorto letting me borrow his car, I'm gonna be putting on this sticker for him. Big shout out to Custom Vinyl Shop for hooking this up. They're actually the ones that hooked up Sorto's decal for today. Thank you, Sorto, for letting me drive the car and trusting me with it. And we're about to install that on right now in the car. Yeah, it looks good to me. Sorto, does that look good? We put a CarCommunity sticker without him knowing. There we go.
More horsepower.
It added like 20 horsepower for him. So we got the YouTube, subscribe. Sorto, say it. Like, subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Come on, Sorto, do it. Stop.
I can't.
You can't?
My nephew's using it. Play yourself.
Not so bad. I know you gotta have like a stance, right? Like this. Right?
Yeah. Do it.
Do it? I used to do this in high school. When I used to do sports. Ready, Sorto? Right? On track. 7, 8, 9. Alright guys, we're gonna end the vlog right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you smash the subscribe button. We are on the road to 10,000 subscribers. How crazy were those GTR flames and Sorto's beautiful RE driving to Sorto's house. Make sure you guys follow us on Snapchat and Instagram for more behind the scenes. And I'll see you guys on the next vlog. I got hit some tough for you. 9, 10, 11, 12.
We're gonna have to do some sweating right now.
What? How do you do it? Come on, Sorto. Alright, my turn.